What's new in Gavel Exec this week? Today, I'm walking you through two highly requested new features, comments and quick actions. So first, you can now have Gavel Exec automatically add comments into your document. And you can specify the tone and the type of comment and who it's actually directed at. You can do this both in chat and in Playbooks, and I'm going to show you a Playbook example first. So here I have a playbook for my stock investment agreement, and I have a rule under preemptive rights, and I basically have two separate branches for this rule. One is that a certain result is going to lead to it redlining my document and giving me direct changes inside of that document. And then another result is going to have it add a comment to that document. So I'll go ahead and run my playbook. So now that I ran this rule, you can see that it failed, and it gives me the failure reason and the proposed change. And that proposed change is a comment. So if I go over to that section, and then I accept that comment, it's going to add a comment directly next to this section that says, basically explains the issue that I added here. Now, you can use comments to flag negotiation risks, you can explain why you're making a change, or you can leave guidance for a client or an internal team. You can also tell exec who the comment is for. So you can say, this is for opposing counsel, so it'll draft those comments for opposing counsel. Or this is for my client, it might draft those in a way that's more simplistic and clear to someone who doesn't understand this area of law as well. Now, next up, I want to share with you quick actions. So we've gotten several requests to make it easier to redline your documents with just a few clicks. So you can now choose who you're negotiating for, you can type in the party, mark what your negotiation style is, add any files that you want for context, and then it'll automatically start streaming in those changes and those red lines. So all of that comes from one quick panel. You can also access the quick actions down from this plus button, and right now there's redlining and there's commenting, but we'll be adding many more quick actions here soon as well. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for many more updates. Gavel Exec turns you into a data-driven lawyer with real support for your positions.